In front of me is VIVO V50, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings, scroll and hit Apps. Over here. Now select Default Apps after scrolling down again. Tap on Home app and select Launcher Pro to apply it. Now tap on Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make some changes, go into Launcher app, and to go back to your default launcher, go back to the same settings as before, and tap on System Home Screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!